Hey y'all, Carolina Tony. Today the road brings us back 9 months later to Highway 176 between Saluda and Tryon, North Carolina. This is a very picturesque scenic drive here in western North Carolina. About 8 months ago we came through this area and we had to park and hike. Today we're back to see has any changes been made, and I'm telling you, you are going to be surprised. And we get started right after the station identification. We just came through Saluda, so between Hendersonville and Saluda, 176 is pretty clear. See where they've started growing grass back on abatement where some washouts were, but I understand 176 is closed. Headed up the road here towards Tryon. We came this way back in the fall, and this is still not fixed. This whole lane is shut down right on this curve, and this is sketchy. Nine months after Hurricane Helene, I know you would expect things to look a lot different by now, but not too much has changed here on Highway 176. Well, the road is blocked off. This is where we parked back last fall, and I hiked probably about a quarter mile down. Let's see if they have done anything. I don't even believe they have replaced the poles here. 9 months later, and this scenic byway, Highway 176, doesn't look like they've touched it. That'd be bad news. This was always a beautiful drive, especially in the fall. The leaves, the mountain stream, a river, whatever that is. Look at this. I guess there are more important things to worry with fixing this highway, or maybe it's too extensive. After all, we have Interstate 26 that kind of runs parallel to this. I don't think there are any homes that are blocked off between here and, well, actually being able to access the interstate. So no people are blocked off up here anyway. I can't tell, but is that what's left of a railroad trestle up there? I remember this. This was pretty cool. Look. This bridge, built by North Carolina State Highway Commission in 1927. It's gonna take years to get this road back. Look at this road. What's left of this road. I would not even know where to begin. Like I said earlier, I'm sure there are a lot of other things to be concerned about. This is pretty major though. At least it's not keeping people from their homes. Other than the fact we have foliage on the trees and it's 95 degrees, not much has changed. The road is 100% impassable. You can hike. You have to walk a long ways though, and there's really nowhere to park. But we found a little place to pull off and hike. In some places, you would never know anything ever happened. In other places, you would never forget. I hope you have enjoyed our revisit to Scenic Byway, Highway 176, here in Western North Carolina. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.